First of all, talking about the benefit of Kotak Kanya Scholarship. Scholarship of up to rupees 1 lakh per year will be given to the selected scholars till completion of their professional graduation course or degree. The scholarship amount under Kotak Kanya Scholarship can be utilized only to cover academic expenses, including tuition fee, hostel fee, applicable only for on-campus hostel, internet, laptop, books and stationery. Disclaimer: terms and conditions apply. Scholarship selection and amount is based on fulfillment of the eligibility criteria and will be at the discretion of the Kotak Education Foundation. So now talking about the program, Kotak Kanya Scholarship is a collaborative CSR project on education and livelihood of Kotak Mahindra Group companies, which is being implemented with Kotak Education Foundation. Kotak Kanya Scholarship will financially support meritorious girl students from underprivileged sections of the society to enable them to pursue higher education after passing out 12th standard. Under Kotak Kanya Scholarship, girl students who aspire to pursue professional graduation courses or professional courses pursued along with a graduation course from Institute of Repute after 12th standard will be provided scholarship to pay their academic expenses till the completion of their graduation. The professional graduation course including engineering, medicine, architecture, designing, specialized commerce, finance and computer courses or professional courses pursued alongside graduation like CA, CS, CFA, CWA or LLB. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of Kotak Kanya Scholarship, open for girl students across India. Meritorious girl students who have secured admission to first year of graduation. Applicants must have scored 75% or more marks or equivalent CGPA in standard 12th board examination. Applicants' annual family income must be rupees 3 lakh or less. Children of employees of Kotak Mahindra Group, Kotak Education Foundation and Body for Study are not eligible to apply for Kotak Kanya Scholarship. Now talking about the documents required while applying for this scholarship, marksheet of previously qualifying examination, that is marksheet of class 12th is required, current academic year fee receipt or bona fide letter or ID card, admission letter or offer letter, income proof of parent or guardian, Aadhaar card, bank details and documents, and passport size photograph. How can you apply? Go to the link which is given in the description area, then log in to Body for Study with your registered ID and land onto the application form page. If not registered on Body for Study, first register at Body for Study with your email, mobile, Facebook or Gmail account. Then you will now be redirected to the Kotak Kanya Scholarship application form page. Click on the Start Application button to begin the application process. Fill out all the required details in the online application form and upload relevant documents. And finally accept the terms and conditions and click on Preview. If all the details filled in by the applicant are correctly showing on the preview screen, click on the Submit button to complete the application process. So now talking about some of the frequently asked questions. What is the selection process for Kotak Kanya Scholarship? The selection of scholars for Kotak Kanya Scholarship will be made on the basis of the academic merit and financial background of applicants. The selection is a multi-stage process, that is, first initial shortlisting of applicants will be based on their academic merit, financial background and personal challenges. Then top performing students will appear for 2 rounds of interview, and finally the final selection and the awarding of scholarship will be at the sole discretion of the Kotak Education Foundation. Next question. Will Kotak Kanya Scholarship be renewed only for 1 year or more than 1 year? The scholarship will be operational and run through till the completion of the girl student's professional graduation degree or professional course pursued alongside graduation. However, for the scholarship renewal in the successive year, the scholars must fulfill the following renewal criteria: no dropout, no disciplinary issues, academic performance should always be more than 6 grade point average or over 70% or equivalent. The renewal of the scholarship every year will be at the sole discretion of the Kotak Education Foundation. Next question. If selected for Kotak Kanya Scholarship, how will the selected scholar receive the scholarship fund? The scholarship amount of Kotak Kanya Scholarship will be transferred on an annual basis to the selected scholar's bank account. The parent or guardian's bank account will be credited with the scholarship fund in case the selected student is still a minor at the time of selection of scholarship. From the date the scholar turns 18, the scholarship amount will be transferred into the scholar's account. Further, at the beginning of each semester, the scholar must upload the following documents in the online scholar's performance tracking system. Fee receipt of every academic year that they have progressed to next academic year, academic mark sheet of every semester exam that they have passed. The renewal of the scholarship every year will be at the discretion of Kotak Education Foundation. Next question. I am currently studying in the first year of my graduation and the stream is one of the eligible courses under Kotak Kanya Scholarship. Can I apply for this scholarship? Yes, you can apply for this scholarship. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. I will see you in another video.